10 Articles of Video Marketing Domination. Article 1. Getting started with video marketing is a tricky task, but once you get into it, your business starts making progress by leaps and bounds. As in the modern era, there is a lot of buzz about video marketing, and how it has dominated the digital marketing even on social media platforms. A resourceful strategy for video marketing is a must-have. Article 2. There are a number of platforms that can be used for video marketing on the internet, but what matters the most is to find the best and the most effective platform for this type of marketing. Taking strategical steps and using the easily available platforms like YouTube and many such places for video marketing is what you need to do to become successful in your business domain. Article 3. Videos are not very difficult to create. All that you need is a good software program to edit them and make them more interesting. There are a number of tools and software that any marketer can get access to, either for free or by buying their paid versions. The multiple videos and audio writing features in such software allow marketers to create the best content for their video marketing. Article 4. Filming videos and using them for the purpose of marketing is a trend these days, but the beginners at this task require some special guidelines related to the equipment that are used for filming and creating videos. Studio lights, DSLR, and a quiet, airy place with good lighting are the must-haves before getting into the business of video marketing. Article 5. Subtitles and captions are essential to be added to the videos to textually represent what's being said in the videos. The viewers can get a better idea about what's in there in your video if it's multiple sounds based. Use the available tools on the internet to add subtitles and captions to your videos to make them understandable by the audience, who either use a foreign language or face difficulty in comprehending sounds. Article 6. With the number of brands on the internet, making yourself noticeable is a hard task, but you can do it if you have a plan in your mind. Brand awareness is something that can help you, but you'll need special tactics to make the audience aware of your products and their values. You can either share your product videos or take help from influencers to share for you. It's all based on what you want to do and how you want to do it. Article 7. Traffic on the videos decides their success and the chance of products to be sold. The most important thing to do for getting traffic on the videos is by first researching the most famous keywords and then adding these to the video titles or descriptions. You can apply many more cool techniques for getting traffic like video commenting under a popular video. Just choose what suits your brand. Article 8. Video marketing is not always about being viral on the internet, it's about making videos that make a difference and are based on some goal. There are a number of strategies that can help in running a successful video marketing campaign, and any brand owner can use these techniques to be a better marketer. Once you start doing it better, you'll notice a boost in your audience and engagement in your videos. Article 9. Video marketing trends are changing with time, and there are many cool features that are being added to this marketing style. It's heading towards being more stylish and reliable. With live videos and them being search-friendly to the videos based on more than one perspective, video marketing is growing more versatile and huge. Marketers can now create any video content that suits their product and make it top-ranked in no time. Article 10. The importance of video marketing cannot be neglected in this era. It is indeed the most powerful tool for digital marketers as the video content is most liked and most watched on the internet, so using it for marketing is a wise move. It is engaging and gives a versatile group of information and knowledge to the viewers watching it, so the chances of your product being featured and ranked are more. Don't forget. Like and subscribe.